Hey everyone! Welcome to this quick walkthrough of my Notion Planner template. Let's jump right in. At the top, you'll see the main navigation. It includes three sections: daily, weekly, and monthly. Let's start with daily. On the left, we have quick actions. These are buttons you can click to instantly create tasks. For example, you can add tasks like affirmation, drink creatine, or do Duolingo. Each task includes options to set a status, date, and priority. On the right, you'll find all your tasks for the current day. Super easy to stay on top of everything. Next up is the weekly view. This section uses a calendar layout, giving you a full overview of your week. It works just like the daily view, but across 7 days. Great for planning ahead and tracking habits. And finally, the monthly view. Here, we've got a full month calendar layout, perfect for setting long-term goals or seeing your big picture at a glance. In the main view, you'll see the same three sections. The daily tab uses a gallery layout with categories like today, tomorrow, and important. The weekly tab shows your week in a clean calendar format. And the monthly tab gives you a full overview of your month. That's it. This template is designed to keep things simple, functional, and motivating, whether you're tracking habits, planning your day, or setting big goals. Feel free to duplicate it and make it your own. Thanks for watching, and happy planning.